Hi there, I'm Jessica. Welcome to my travel channel.
Welcome to my walking tour of the stunning beaches of Guarapari, Brazil. In this 4 Kelvin video, I will take you on a journey along the picturesque coastline as we explore the crystal clear waters, sandy shores, and natural beauty of this incredible destination. As always, if you enjoy this video, please don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to my channel for more amazing travel content. And if you have any comments or suggestions,
If you want to see the hottest video cuts of my walks, subscribe to my Patreon. Link below.
please leave them down below. I love hearing from my viewers. Guarapari is a hidden gem in Brazil, a small coastal town that boasts some of the most beautiful beaches in the country. It's a great spot for snorkeling or paddle boarding, and there are plenty of sun loungers and umbrellas available for those who want to relax and soak up the sun. Our final stop is Praia da Preta, or Black Sand Beach, which is known for its unique dark colors and that is said to have therapeutic properties. It's a popular spot for tourists and locals alike, and there are plenty of amenities here, including showers, changing rooms, and a variety of food and drink options. As we walk along the beach, you'll notice the stunning cliffs that surround the shoreline, providing a dramatic backdrop to this idyllic scene. You'll also see the colorful fishing boats that dot the horizon, adding to the charm and authenticity of this charming town. Overall, Guarapari is a must-visit destination for anyone who loves sun, sea, and sand. With its gorgeous beaches, friendly locals, and laid-back vibe, it's the perfect place to unwind and enjoy the beauty of nature. So if you're planning a trip to Brazil, be sure to add Guarapari to your itinerary. You won't be disappointed.
Thanks for watching. Please like this video and subscribe to my channel. See you in the next one. Bye!